Welcome to PT Kaltim Parna Industri, which is located in Bontang, East Kalimantan. PT KPI is a business entity that produces ammonia, which is made from natural gas. PT KPI was founded in 1995. Every day, PT KPI is capable of producing 1,500 metric tons per day. With a strong business structures and supported by an expert human capital, PT Kaltim Parna Industri runs our production for being the most efficient producer of ammonia in the world, with giving priority to the work safety, work health, quality and environmental protection. For supporting production process, we have the supporting facilities such as process area, utility, ammonia storage area, dock, waste treatment installation, power station, and the others infrastructure. PT Kaltim Parna Industri successfully obtained reward and certification in national level and international level, such as Sector of Quality Management System ISO 9001, Environment Management System ISO 1401, and System of Work Safety and Health Management ISO 1725 as Environment Laboratory Accreditation, International Ship and Port Security Code, or called ISPS Code, Green Proper as Reward of Environmental Treatment, Zero Accident Award, Prevention and Treatment of HIV/AIDS. PT Kaltim Parna Industri has a characteristic of product which is made of a dangerous material that has a high risk for employee and visitor in area of PT Kaltim Parna Industri, which means that the safety of visitors and contractors is one of our main attention.
Keselamatan Anda dan keselamatan orang-orang di dalam pabrik kami adalah kepedulian terbesar kami. Dan kami berharap Anda memberikan perhatian saat kami mengambil beberapa menit untuk memberi Anda pengantar keselamatan dan kesehatan kerja serta lingkungan atau K3L. Sebelum Anda memulai aktivitas di area pabrik, kami akan menjelaskan peraturan keselamatan dan kesehatan kerja serta lingkungan atau K3L sebagai berikut.
Every visitor or guest which will enter to the area of PT Kaltim Parna Industri must report to the security and will be done the security checking. Visitor must fill a guest book. Visitor is required to change ID card with visitor card and always use the personal protective equipment such as safety helmet, safety glasses, long sleeve and safety shoe during in the factory area. When visitor walks around in the factory area, so walk in the area which is provided, that is in the back of yellow line. For the passing vehicle, the vehicle is only allowed to take a maximum speed is only 20 kilometers in an hour. No smoking in the office area except in the place which has been provided. Do not cause fire. Prohibited from carrying concealed deadly weapons. Prohibited from consuming alcohol beverages and illegal drugs. Prohibited from carrying a cell phone in the production area. Do not steal the company asset and information. Always use the badge visitor. Comply to the sign in the production area. Throw garbage in its place according to the classification. If the visitor finds an isolated area which portends that the area is under construction, so the visitor must avoid the area and look for another way. The visitor is forbidden to operate the process facilities. If there is a fire in the production area, so the first thing is don't be panic. and push the alarm button soon, and then take the nearest APAR. APAR is the first aid for extinguish the small fire. Instruction of using APAR: pull off the safety pin, aim to the fire source, push the handle and spray to the fire source. When APAR is used, make sure APAR tube is in the erect position. Sweep out until the fire is off. If the fire cannot be handled, as soon as possible, give a danger signal via paging or call 1234 via the nearest telephone. If the situation turns into the emergency situation, PT KPI will activate the emergency siren. The classification of the emergency siren. The emergency siren level 2. It will be heard if the situation only harms around the production area. The emergency siren level 1. It will be heard if the situation already harms around the industry area. Understand the patterns of the emergency siren well and soon go to the beating point when an emergency condition is happening. In the emergency situation, Emergency Response Team (ERT) will secure the fire location and evacuate to the beating point. If the visitor smells and inhales ammonia, or there is a signal via paging or siren that ammonia is leaked, so the first step is pay attention to the wind direction and run against the wind direction. And what is more, look for the nearest full mask and wear correctly. Open the ammonia filter cover. Then loose the string with both hands. Place the chin on the bottom end of the mask. Pull the string to the back of the head and make sure that the full mask is correct and not twist. Adjust the mask and tighten strongly and evenly. Before used, do a leak test by covering the airway with your palm hand. If there is a leak, tighten the string once more time or change the position of the mask correctly. If the visitor cannot find the full mask, use the wet kerchief and go to the assembly point. If the danger condition is happening, leave the area and go to the evacuation door and follow the instruction of Emergency Response Team (ERT). Make a safety as your first priority, because the working safety and health are our program to reduce accident in PT Kaltim Parna Industri. Our success of running the work safety and health program is result of our work hard and cooperation between the visitor and the contractor PT Kaltim Parna Industri.
Kami mengharapkan partisipasi aktif Anda dalam mendukung program dan visi misi perusahaan PT Kaltim Parna Industri. Dengan menyaksikan video ini, Anda telah memahami dan mengikuti peraturan keselamatan dan kesehatan kerja serta lingkungan atau K3L.